everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Melanated Beauty. In today's video, I have a huge shopping haul that I'm so excited to share with you all. As you all may know, I started my luxury picnic business about a year ago. Shore picnics has recently been on the agenda lately, which is why I haven't been posting as much. I truly apologize, but today I have curated a video for you all, including all of the different new items that I've purchased that you all can also search for, not only for a luxury picnic business, but for your regular summer events and picnic, outdoor dining, hostings for, barbecues, birthdays, or whatever you have planned this summer. So let's get started. First up, I'm gonna start with Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree has really been exceeding the bar lately with tableware, and I picked up these rose gold pink shimmery charger plates. I got about 20 of these because my picnics, I do host up to 20 guests now. So these are very, very pretty. And then they also have white plates. So Dollar Tree also carries these white plates, very minimal, but they look very luxurious. And then when you pair them with a pretty charger like this for maybe a girl's birthday party or wedding anniversary or anything like that, it looks really pretty with napkins, etc. So I'm going to set up a little tablescape on my balcony just to show you guys what this will look like. Dollar Tree also just added these plates to their collection. I'm not sure if these are gonna stay all year round, but these are new now that it is now spring and summer. And I love these plates because they remind me of very English, Victorian kind of style. So I recently did a picnic with these plates. I'll insert pictures, and it just turned out so beautiful. I love these plates. I call this particular picnic the Oxford Blue Picnic. Another plate from Dollar Tree that I love are these clear glass plates. They're very minimal and modern because they're clear, and they really can go with any setup, any style that you like, any design. So usually I'll add a colored plate, saucer plate in the middle, like this, with a coordinating linen napkin and silverware. All right, next up with Dollar Tree are these crystal design glass stemware. I love these. They're very, very chic as they come, and I've set up several picnics with these, and the pictures always look really, really good. My local Dollar Tree actually sold out of these, but they just recently added these martini glasses. I'll link a picture of what those look like, and I think I'm gonna go and get about 20 of those as well. Also from Dollar Tree are these what are these called? I forgot what these are called. The little mini tea candle holders, and these are fluted glass detail, very luxury looking and inexpensive. So definitely load up on these for any type of dining, outdoor dining, indoor dining setup. These will definitely upscale any setup. Also from Dollar Tree are these clear glass candlestick holders. I really love these for when I do the English style or even tea party style picnics, which I'll definitely get into soon. These are very minimal yet luxury looking. Next up, I'm gonna show you things that I purchased from my Goodwill. Definitely Goodwill is the place to go for plates and any type of dining tablescape. Especially if you're into the vintage Victorian tea party things. This little teapot I actually picked up yesterday, $4, and it has detailed roses on the porcelain glass. Absolutely love this. This is going to be a part of my tea party picnic theme. Also picked up this teapot. This belongs with the Oxford picnic that I mentioned earlier. And actually, some of these pieces say that they were actually made in England. So we're living looks. Look how cute this is for a little kids tea party, brunch tea party. And I also picked up little saucer plates like this. This is fine china made in Japan. While we're talking about Goodwill, I'm gonna show you these beautiful curtains that I picked up for $4 for the set. And there's like a sheer fabric material. And the reason I love them so much is because the handle rod situation are these little tassels that you can just tie on a curtain rod. In my situation, I'm going to be adding them to my wooden arch as a nice, beautiful, flowy fabric, you know, that you usually see at like the wedding venues and stuff like that. Those are a part of my picnic setups as well. So I'm very excited to use this. Also found this Target pillow from Goodwill for only $3. I believe this pillow is actually like $19.99 brand new at Target. And this is also going to be for my picnics because you always need nice cozy pillows to sit on at a picnic. I also purchased this pillow as well for $3. It is a very nice canvas material. I just thought it'd be a perfect addition to any pillow setup because it's a nice natural cream color that would go with any style. One last thing I forgot to mention are these candlestick holders that I found from Goodwill. They have little decorative faux little paper florals on it. It's like maybe possibly they were made for a wedding and they were $2 each, and I thought these are perfect to add for a special occasion picnic. Now let's start with Tuesday morning. I did find a few items from there. I got these beautiful plates from Tuesday morning. They were on clearance for $3. I got only 2 of them for like just a picnic setup for 2 people. And I love it because it has this detailed design around the rim. These little blue speckled spotted saucer plates that I'm going to be probably adding in the middle like that. I think these were $2.50 a piece and I got 4 of these. The last thing I got from Tuesday morning are these placemats. They're jute rope placemats in a rectangle shape, which I've never seen before, and it's a set of 4, and I paid $12.99 for these, which I don't think is a bad price, especially because they're very large in size. So we're gonna get into some fun stuff. I went to Target, Dollar Spot, and Five Below. These items may or may not still be in store, but I tried to make this video like kind of as soon as I bought them. This is a round wooden tray. Got this for $5. I just thought this would be really cute to add like drinks on, or maybe set up a little cheese and fruit situation on here. It's just a really cute little addition, and it has handles, and it's also raw wood, so you could stain it to any color you like or even paint it if you'd like. Also from the Target Dollar Spot is this cute little miniature picnic basket. This was $5, and it has a rotating handle. It comes with a little round opening here and a basket here. I was thinking of using this as like my sanitary station where I have sanitizer and like paper napkins in here for guests who want to, you know, make sure their hands are sanitized before they dig into their charcuterie boards or whatever. It's just a cute little addition to add to any setup. But Target also has these cute napkin rings in the Hearth and Hand section with Magnolia Interiors. I forgot the name. So yeah, I really like these. They go with any setup as well. And last thing from Target is this chalkboard that includes a piece of chalk. This was only $3, and I thought this would be nice as like a tic-tac, it's like a tic-tac-toe game board for the clients who are at their picnic if they want to play a game, or I can make like a signature note on here, something sweet like happy anniversary, something like that. I thought it'd be a little cute addition to add with a picnic. All right, so I'm gonna start with Five Below. Five Below, oh my gosh, I love Five Below, but I'm not gonna lie, their stuff can add up really quickly. I purchased this $5 disco ball. It's so pretty, and it's actually a nice, decent size. And I thought this would be like a little decorative addition to a little glamour picnic setup. You could also hang this from like a thin string, like in your backyard, if you have like several of them, and along with like string lights, which I also bought a pack of string lights. They're like artificial decorative ones from Five Below. I don't have it with me right now, but I'll insert a clip of those. I also got this dry erase board with a gold frame, and what I was gonna do is pair it with this table easel that I got from Five Below as well. Add that on top. And this could be on top of the picnic table with, like I said, a special note, or I don't know, something that maybe I could write my Instagram handle and stuff like that on there for anybody who comes along at the park or the beach where my picnic setup is at. So I think this is so pretty and so cute addition. And you know, Five Below always has these very cute decorative rugs, and they just released these pretty pink patterned rugs. Most of my picnics are actually neutral and, you know, just not that girly. So I've been trying to add a very pretty pink boho picnic theme. Which is why I bought this pink rug. I bought two of them. They are 3x5, I believe. Yes, 3x5 in size. And they're pretty good size. So especially if you have two of them, it makes almost like a 6x10 size rug to go underneath a table setup. I actually thought this rug was 3x5 when I purchased it, but it's only a 3x2. But I like this for layering rugs for that boho moment. So I got two of these as well. It's like a shaggy Aztec style rug with a muted pink tone. Almost done. Next up, I want to show you some stuff that I got from Michaels. So I needed some florals, some faux florals from Michaels. I got this like spring floral. Their spring florals and flowers are actually, well, they were actually 50% off because they're already starting to add the fall collection, which is insane. I believe was $12. This is like a faux eucalyptus garland I usually have along the table. I also purchased white floral one that I have along my wooden arch. So this is an old purchase from Target. This is the macrame table runner. I love this so much because it goes with any picnic, especially if you're doing a boho aesthetic. I live not too far away from an actual airport, so please excuse the airplanes that fly across my apartment. Now, I actually have another one after this one that I'm gonna show you, but last but not least, this Amazon purchase is one of my top favorites of all. I'm currently now adding a Bluetooth radio to any picnic, and this is also great for, like I said, this haul is not just for luxury picnics, it's for anything. It's a little mini vinyl record player, and it's tiny, but I like that because it's compact and I can have it on any table setup without it overcrowding the existing table decor. And not only is it cute, but the sound is so high quality. It's very loud and it's so easy to use. I absolutely love this. I was just scrolling on Amazon and I came across this and I was just like, I have to have this. So cute for especially the pink boho aesthetic that I'm going for a new picnic theme. They also come in blue, white, and this pretty blush pink color, and the actual record on top spins as you play music. So cool. Please keep in mind that I'm gonna link all of the items down below that I did purchase from a store. Obviously, I can't post what I purchased from Goodwill or any clearance items because those probably aren't available on websites anymore, but I'll definitely post everything else so that way you can purchase them yourself. And one more thing that I want to show you is a free coffee table that I found on Facebook Marketplace that is the perfect size and height for a luxury picnic setup, and I'm going to show you that right now. Here is the picnic table that I found on Facebook Marketplace. This can seat about 2 to 3 guests comfortably, which is why I really like it. It's nice and long and it's low to the ground, and I kind of like the wood stain color as well. I'm going to now make a little mock-up picnic on my balcony, something really quick, just to show you all some of the items that I found in this haul and kind of put them together for you guys to see. So much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give a big thumbs up as well as subscribing down below to my channel. It's free and you get to see more videos like this in the future. Comment down below, what do you think was my best find? Comment if you're going to purchase that super cool retro pink Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, so I hope to see you soon. Until next time, bye.